friends, today Maya and Momo are on a ride in their self-driving car. In a world filled with amazing technology, we've come a long way from simple computers to advanced artificial intelligence and robots. But with all this innovation, we need something important to guide us: ethics. Ethics help us use AI and robotics in a fair, safe, and responsible way. Just like we follow rules to make games fair, ethics in AI ensure fairness. They help AI treat everyone equally, without bias. Whether it's a game or a serious task, fairness is at the heart of ethical AI. Safety is one of the most important principles in AI and robotics. AI needs to make decisions that protect people, like this self-driving car stopping for pedestrians. Without ethical programming, the car might make dangerous decisions. Ethical AI protects your privacy by ensuring that personal data is kept safe and only used with your permission. Just like when an app asks for permission, it shows that AI respects your privacy and won't use your information unless you allow it. In many industries, robots and AI systems are used to make work faster and more efficient. But what happens if something goes wrong? That's where accountability comes in. Humans must take responsibility when AI systems make mistakes. Even though robots can do amazing tasks, humans are still responsible for their actions. Ethical AI ensures accountability, meaning a human is always in charge when things go wrong, just like when a worker steps in to fix a robot's mistake. Even though AI systems can make decisions on their own, humans must always be in control when it matters most. Ethics ensure that people have the final say in important situations, keeping everything safe and sound. As Maya and Momo finish their journey, we've seen how ethics are the foundation that guide AI and robotics to make fair, safe, and responsible decisions. From protecting privacy and ensuring safety to keeping humans in control when it matters most, ethics help us build a future where technology works for everyone.